just got a strawberry there in your bag, and you say, "Sure."
And then you're in the queue and you tell it, go fetch apples, and it go fetches the apples.
I would like a monkey. I would also like a goat, but goats, I don't like how far apart their eyes are. You know what I mean? Like, that's the only thing I don't like about goats. Like, why are your eyes so far apart? It creeps me the fuck out. They're not disgusting. Disgusting via?
Smell, bro.
Of goats.
Yo, goats smell.
I want to get a pet. I just want a pet that's not your usual pet. Shamiso, see you too later. Khumza, I don't think I'm coming later. I don't know if I can stand to be around so many young people. Like, I'm 26. You guys are all 20, 21. Imagine if I had to sit there the whole time. I'd be seen as a fucking loser. Look at this guy behind you. This is you. Actually, I need to take a picture. Like,
Of who?
yeah, and your cap matches like these trees.
Hey, I don't take pictures, man.
Really,
Really.
and really,
Really.
and really. Get a pig. Oh, guys, I think I like a pig when it's a piglet, but when it's big and disgusting, whole lot of nonsense I'm hearing. Kamo, intervene. Kamo, Khumza saying you must intervene.
I must intervene.
Yeah, Khumza, at least if you were my age, but like everyone is young.